Hi, my name is Jeff Retz. Welcome to Axiory's news broadcast. Here's the latest high-impact news for January 17th. The U.S. economy picked up across much of the country last month, boosted by auto and home sales, even as the outlook for unemployment showed few signs of improvement, said FED's Beige Book. Minutes from the December meeting showed that even as they were preparing new Treasury purchases, several FOMC members said it would probably be appropriate to slow or stop buying well before the end of 2013. A few others were willing to let the program run to the end of the year, while a few others didn't give a time frame. The Beige Book also said that wage pressures have been stable, with the San Francisco Fed specifically citing an abundance of workers holding down wages. In other high-impact news, Asian shares fell on Thursday, erasing earlier gains amid worries about the global growth outlook as investors remain cautious ahead of Chinese data on Friday. Growth-sensitive sectors dented Hong Kong shares ahead of a slew of key Chinese economic data, including fourth quarter GDP, December industrial output, retail sales, and house price, which will offer clues on the health of Asia's biggest economy. And today, we have just one important event, and it's the U.S. job claims at 1:30 p.m. GMT. And now, here are your major currency pairs. Up first, the euro. During the last day, the euro remained unchanged in relation to the USD. Economy Ministry of Germany stated that the national economy growth would be just 0.4% in 2013, a fall from the previous forecast of 1%. Policymaker Ewald Nawatny of the European Central Bank indicated that the current exchange rate of the euro versus the dollar doesn't concern him, and he doesn't expect currency appreciation in the longer term. Meanwhile, consumer price inflation stayed stagnant in the Eurozone and as predicted in estimates in December. The much-anticipated ECB monthly report is expected for release later today in Europe. Also, investors await initial jobless claims in the U.S. Next, the dollar-yen. The previous 24 hours showed strengthening of the USD against the Japanese yen. The yen resumed its decline today after two ministers reported saying there's no change in the government's stance. In Japan, the seasonally adjusted tertiary industry activity index fell in November and did not meet analysts' expectations. Finishing up our broadcast is the Multitrader section. Today's strategy is Mohammed Investor FX1, which is one of the average risk strategies. It made 0.04% profit last week, and today we have chosen its most recent ratio of currency pairs. And the last month, this strategy traded mainly GBP USD pair, as you can see from this chart. This pair makes up 72% of trading, with another 14% belonging to both the Euro USD and Aussie USD pairs. All the strategies with information about performance and other characteristics can be found on our website. That's it for today. Tune in tomorrow for more in-depth currency news that matters to you. Also, don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Twitter and like us. Goodbye.